Straight to the meat and potatoes, the wompity wompity choppity chop. There you go. That's our new camshaft, guys. From the one and only Flying Ryan Performance. What's up, MOPAR fam? I hope everybody's having a blessed day out there. Today we are going to unbox and show the new camshaft that we got from FRP for the BGE 392 build that we are putting in Frostbite since we blew up the stock 5.7. So before we get started, do me a solid out there, MOPAR fam. Give the video a thumbs up right now. Comment down below what you think of the cam kit, and if you're looking for this cam kit or any of the FRP cams, check the description down below. So let's get to it. Straight to the meat and potatoes, the wompity wompity choppity chop. There you go. That's our new camshaft, guys. From the one and only Flying Ryan Performance down in Texas. And this is a huge cam, big step up from the previous cam that we've been running in Frostbite that we almost got our 9 in. So I can't wait to get this cam in, this bigger motor, and see what it sounds like and see how much more power we are going to make. So I know everybody's wanting to know, what did we get? Well, this is the Titan 2 camshaft, which is a boost specific cam or supercharger cam for guys that like boost but wants that choppity loppity wappity. So I got the cam card here. I'm not going to go over every single little detail, although I don't think he hides this stuff. It's pretty much all on his website, guys, but I'm going to give you the basics of it. What we got for duration: on the intake side, this is a 231, and on the exhaust side, it's a 246. Lobe separation is 116, and the intake center line is 113. And the overall lift on this cam, on intake and exhaust, is 611. Now, the previous cam that I was running, those numbers were about, I'd say, 10 numbers smaller than this cam right here. So this is definitely going to sound a whole lot more aggressive. Next on the table is the spring choice we went with. Oh, and we got a, PO number BGE 392 be bumping. Come on. Oh, and BGE this bitch. Yep, there we go. That's our PO number. So anyway, we got some pack springs. As you guys know, for the last few years I've been running the MOPAR performance springs, and I think we killed them, which is what killed our stock block 5.7 motor. So we got some real springs this time, made in the USA from pack. These are pretty simple, easy springs to install. They don't really require any extra locators or shims. It's pretty much a drop-in spring, and these springs are good for up to 650 lift. So definitely lots of room for a lot of aggressive cams out there on the market. The part number on these guys is the 1232X-16. So that is what we're running for springs this time. And from FRP, as you guys know, for the last few years on the stock block 5.7, we were running factory push rods, guys. But hey, we didn't break any. We didn't bend any. We didn't break any. We didn't have any issues with that. So stock push rods are pretty strong. Just saying. But anywho, I want to do this right. So we got real hardened push rods from FRP. These things are pretty dope. They are engraved, as you can see, Flying Ryan Performance. So we got a set of intake and exhaust push rods. So hopefully we got a decent valve train this time. We got a new cam bolt, necessary when you're doing a cam swap or upgrade or anything. And this cam is one of the big boys, so this is a lock. We're going to be locking out this cam, not a limiter. It will be getting a lock. And as you can see, we got 4 boxes, and I'm not going to take these out. We've all seen them before. These are factory MOPAR non-MDS lifters, aka the Hellcat lifters, which is what we were running in the stock block 5.7, and every single one of those lifters came out looking awesome. No issues, no slop, no wear. They've been in there for a few years and on 2 different cams on top of that. So the factory Hellcat lifters, guys, they're pretty good lifter. So that's pretty much everything we got for the cam stuff. I didn't go with a complete cam kit, as I already got a lot of the gaskets and stuff that we need since we're doing a complete motor swap. So we just pretty much got the basic essentials from FRP. And again, if you're interested in this camshaft specifically for like your boosted application, here's the part number. You call up FRP, go to the website, and that is the part number that they call this cam, the Hemi Titan 2. There's a few videos already with this camshaft and like some track hawks, Hellcats, boosted stuff. They sound wicked. Definitely stay tuned. We're gonna have lots of videos on this thing, on the first startup, track data, everything. It's gonna be awesome, guys. On another note, I got pretty much the short block put together. We finally got the crankshaft installed. We got all 8 pistons and rods, forged pistons and rods installed, got the rings all gapped, everything. So now we're pretty much to this part right here. We got to start putting our valve train together, camshaft, lifters, new chain, oil pump, guides and tensioner, all that stuff. So we're getting closer. We're getting closer. So that's going to do it today, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the video and the update on the BGE 392 build for Frostbite. We'll be back with some more videos soon. So as always, guys, stay safe out there. Don't forget, hit that subscribe button, give the video a thumbs up, comment down below what you think of the cam. What do you think Frostbite's going to run when we get it all dialed in? Comment down below. Let me know what you think. Best on the stock block motor was a 10008 at 133. So let me know what you guys think. Bigger motor, bigger cam, more power. Have fun out there, guys. Enjoy what you're doing, and we'll see you on the next one.